Hello everyone! Samahan niyo po akong maganda-gandahan dahil ako ay pupunta ng palengke. Yes, sa palengke lang po, pero kailangan nakapostura tayo, di ba? Dapat maganda. May naging marupok na naman. My God! Okay lang. That's life. Punta muna ako ng market, maghahanap ng mangga. Honey gold mango dye, not Indian mango. No more Indian mango. At saka I don't think we have Indian mango here in Australia. I'm not sure. But Indian mango is good when it's green in the Philippines. That's one of my favorite. Hanap tayo ng earrings. I don't have any here. I think I bought some earrings yesterday. No. So kahapon, I bought 2 pairs of earrings from Goldmark. Not sure if it's any good, but I'll try it and I'll just get one of these rings. This one is my favorite. That will be mine today. And this one, mother of pearl. That's a gift on one of my birthday, maybe 4 years ago. And then earrings. I'm not sure if it's any good, but don't like it. Let me try the other one. This one. I think I like it better than this. I'll see. Ow, I cannot find the hole. That's it. That one or that one? Can I have both? I think doon na lang ako sa isa. Bahala na. I don't like that much. I'm not a fan of circle stuff or heart. I'm more on a bar stuff. Simple ones. No, ayan ako sa mga bilog-bilog at puso-puso. Pero sige na nga, yun na lang. It's not as bad anyway. So, ito ako sa room ng mga bata. Bag check. Pwede na. Okay na to. Pupunta lang naman ako ng palengke. Diyos ko, ang dumi-dumi ng salamin ng mga bagets. Ayan, naiwan ko pa yan kahapon. Yan tayo, walang kasama. Makalat.